So welcome again as we continue learning how to make money and also some of command prompts that you can use to troubleshoot issues with your network and also run basics of how computers work, how your phone works, that is in terms of communication, and even when you boot, how the process. I want you to understand everything so that at least you have a basic knowledge of how things work over the internet. Today I want us to run another command prompt that is called Netsh. In the previous one we ran path ping, where we were able to use it to identify where there is a latency or packet loss on our network. So today let's run Netsh, Netsh. This command prompt is used to configure and diagnose network settings, including IP, firewall, and Wi-Fi. It's a very handy tool or prompt that every network administrator needs to run, or even if you don't have a network administrator, you may need to understand how it works. So you press Windows button R to open command prompt, then you type CMD, then you press enter. You have the black window. So to run this command, let's first know the usage. It is used to reset TCP/IP settings to resolve complex network issues. View available networks for troubleshooting. So an example scenario is when you are not able to connect to Wi-Fi. You are trying to connect to Wi-Fi, then it refuses, but you have the correct password. Then how do you do it? You run netish prompt command the way we run it here to ensure the network is visible. Then reset settings with netish. So let's run that. So you type netish, NETSH, one word, space, WARN, because we are targeting our Wi-Fi local area network. Then show networks. So you want to show all the networks that are available on Wi-Fi. So those are the Wi-Fi networks. It shows you the network type, authentication, and encryption. And you can be able to tell which ones are open and which ones require you to have a password. So with this information, you can be able to connect to the network that you have credentials. So this one displays all available networks around you. So then, so the first thing, when you run netish, then run show networks. It shows all the networks available, and you can be able to tell whether the network you are targeting, the one that you have credentials, your own Wi-Fi, whether it is visible. If it's not available on the list shown here, then it is a hidden network. You may not be able to find it here. You may need to connect through other network. If you scroll down, there is hidden network. Then you can type the name of the network and connect. So that's how you know whether a network is hidden or it's visible, using netish, then space run space show space networks. So if your network is visible, you should be able to connect. If it's not visible, then you use hidden network. Then you put the name of the network and the credentials. Now, how then do you reset the settings? You just type netish int IP reset, then you press enter. So that will reset all your Wi-Fi settings on your laptop, and some may require you run in administrator mode. So resetting okay, then reset, then you need to restart your computer to complete this process. Once you restart your laptop, you should be able now to connect to the Wi-Fi. Then after you run that, that will then resolve the issues you have in a complex network. So remember, there are other commands you can run. There is ipconfig release, ipconfig renew commands, which you can use to reset your network, and also to flash DNS. But Netsh also helps you now diagnose network settings and also reset them. So you're resetting TCP IP settings to resolve complex network issues. And then you'll be able now to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button and also share with your friends. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that when I do the next video, you get notified. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.